Hello everyone and welcome to Sean's Shed for the first installment of the Ducati 750 Sport rebuild, refresh, Restomod, whatever you want to call it. So the plan is to take this bike to pieces and start again. So it should be quite a fun project for everybody. I've started to already sort of mock things up a bit, so I've already taken the front fairings off just to have a look, see what it looks like underneath and see how much of a big project it's gonna be. There's some pictures at the start from when I bought it, and the seat cowl was actually originally black, as was the front mudguard. So just having a look around the bike, you can see there's a fair bit of sort of corrosion that you'd expect on a 20-year-old bike. And you know, this bike, although it's got low miles, I think it has sat outside for some of that time, so there is a bit of corrosion. There's been a bit of usage, and you know, it's just looking a bit tired really. Originally this was a dark 750S, so it has the single disc on the front, half fairing, and the matte black paint, which you know is now looking pretty terrible. You might have noticed these GPR exhausts. I have some of these on my Monster 750 in carbon, and I really love the sounds of these. Really nice. I will be stripping these down back to the bare metal and making them look all lovely and new again. Yeah, that red paint was just a rattle can, so don't pay too much attention to that. Just looking around the bike, bits and pieces that still look quite good. I did give the exhaust a bit of a brush there just to see how well it clean up. Ignore the Olin sticker, it's just previous owner put it on, probably for a laugh. And this one's got the single-sided swing arm, front brake like I mentioned, and ignore the brackets etc, they're just to get an idea of sort of the height of the front light. These two are the coils, and they'll be going inside the frame when I get around to doing it. I'll put it all back together. But yeah, I mean, the bike's not in bad condition, it's just looking tired really, to be honest. Bit of rust there on the swing arm, but I've got a bit of an idea for the swing arm, which we'll come to further down the line. You can see on this GPR exhaust, a bit dull, and the end has been repainted. But yeah, the chain and sprockets are in good condition, tyres are in good condition. The previous owner, before the last owner, the guy who I bought it off, was actually a mechanic, I believe, so he did all the maintenance and things on it. Looks like the seat's been worked on at some point, a bit knobbly in places. I did start to look what was under this piece here, and well, it had a big sticker and a little bulb thing there where the filler is, so I've taken that off. What I'm going to do now is just show you some pictures of things that have inspired me in this build and things that I'd like to do and change, so just gives you a bit of a view of the potential for the front on this. Probably will put an LED headlight in, but yeah, it should be a good project, so stay tuned and keep an eye on what we're up to. So we've got some inspiration for you to enjoy, so see you next time at Sean's Shed, when we'll be doing the strip down and coming up with some ideas and talking about what we might be doing for the future. Just at the end of this video is what the plan is for how this bike's going to end up looking, and so yeah, I hope you enjoy watching these, and comments would be very welcome. But yeah, stay tuned and subscribe for more updates about how this project's going. See you next time. Bye.